And everyone start your cameras. Why is absent today? You guys remember or forgotten? Guys, याद है मेथड भूल गए हैं?
So याद है. So can I get my water bottle from the other room?
Rita, your hands are not that big.
Sir, but my feet can go over there.
You're given the answer, then you can. So Candy, keep your camera on. And guys, send your answers quickly.
Cars.
Okay. So Smiley, have you forgotten Smiley and who is in the meeting?
So me.
Mahuri.
But I forgot.
What about you, Adya? You also forgot? So the steps are find the fraction, find total ratio parts, find the fraction, find the value. So what are total ratio parts? Tell me, guys, those
So
who
5.
couldn't, 5. What is the fraction? Those who couldn't give the answer.
So
What is the
3.
fraction of Smiley?
So 3/5.
3 by 5. What is the value that Smiley will get?
So 3/5 into 100 into 300.
3 by 5 times 300. So it will be 60 into 3, 180. Adya, next answer आ जाएगा बेटा?
Yes, sir.
So if there are 2, you can simply forget, subtract it. Candy and याद आ गया guys? Candy
Yes, sir.
and Smiley.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question.
So then in the next step we can minus 180 from 300.
Yes, you can subtract it, or you can also use the same way. Like fraction of Adya will be 2 by 5. Share of Adya will be 2 by 5 times 300.
Yes.
Okay. So let me find the next question. So did we do dividing 1250? Did we divide 1250 in the last classes? Or no? I can give you some others. Divide 1 5. Next question. I can just show it to you. Dia, start your camera. Let me try calling Kai. Dia, why did we join late?
Sir, I forgot about the class. I was working on the
Mr. Guy.
Sorry I got late today. I was eating my lunch. And sir, is it okay if I don't turn on my camera today?
Okay, but you will have to keep on unmute.
So can we write 115 upon 1 as the fraction of male workers?
But I cannot understand. You're like it will be a whole number. Why do you want to write the number of whole number as divide by 1? Like that doesn't make too much sense. Smiley, remind me after a few questions. I have to take a also. Okay. In case I forget, just remind me.
Sir, can you repeat?
I said just remind me after a few questions that I have to take up the doubt that you sent me.
Okay, sir.
But your voice is really low.
Should I use a mic?
Your voice is really low.
That's what I'm saying. Should I use a mic?
I can't hear you. Your voice is really low.
The last
Can
time you, the last year you taught us ratio and proportion for UIMO. I remember.
Okay, that's great. Oh, I'm sorry. I gave the wrong question by mistake. First, guys, I want you to do the seventh question. So I didn't notice this is a different type. First, do the seventh question, kids.
So can you please speak a little louder? I'm not able to hear you.
I am speaking loudly. Now can you hear me?
Not really. I just know you're speaking something because it's a green frame, but your mic is really low.
Sir, I can hear you just fine.
So guys, do the seventh question first.
So we have to do the seventh question.
Yes.
My voice is still the exact same. Let me try putting on headphones. 1 second. So can you please say something?
Hi Dia. Why have
Yeah.
you joined late?
Now you're audible.
Why did you guys Scooty did not join today?
Today is Monday. Today he should have joined. No clue.
All right, guys.
Oh, I sent my answer. I sent my answer. I sent my answer already. Ma'am has
Chatty,
checked it.
beta, please remind me the steps. How do we do this question?
Sir, I don't remember.
Beta, you should eat almonds every day. Adya, can you tell me the steps? How do we solve these type of questions? So Chatty,
So can I?
no beta, no, you got it right. So first, Chatty and Adya, we find do what? क्या find करते हैं? Quickly guys, quickly. थोड़ा सा fasten up करो.
Sir, total time?
Total ratio parts. They are how
Total
much?
448.
The total ratio parts are 9 plus 5, which is 14.
14.
Then fraction of boys are what, Adya?
9 upon 14.
So it's when you get the value, it will be, क्या करेंगे चैटी अब हम? मिस चैटी क्या करेंगे अब हम? Yes,
Then
we
we'll
will do,
divide by 448.
we will
9
multiply.
multiply by 448.
Yes. So I will get the number of boys. Understood? Now, guys, Smiley and Zapman, if you have reached, start your camera. I want to explain another method to do this question. So another method is, guys, instead of taking it as ये किसका dog bow bow कर रहा है, guys, please take care. So instead, because these are ratios, I can assume them as 9x and 5x. Ratios को हमेशा आप assume कर सकते हो as a factor of something. Why? Because when you will simplify 9x upon 5x, x part जो actual value होगा, factor होगा, वो cancel हो जाएगा, 9 by 5 आ जाएगा. Suppose you have something in the ratio, something the value is 20 is to 30. अब guys question में तो ratio 2 is to 3 लिखी होगी. तो how in actual how will I take it as? I will take it as 2x is to 3. समझ आया? आई एम सेइंग अगर एक्चुअल वैल्यू 20 is to 30 है, क्वेश्चन में 2 is to 3 लिखी होगी इन द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. दैट्स व्हाई आई कैन एज्यूम रेशियो एज अ फैक्टर. अब मुझे x पता नहीं है ये x 10 है, बट आई कैन एज्यूम x एज अ फैक्टर जो एक रेशियो में होगा. सो रिमेंबर whenever you have got the ratios you can assume this that with a factor. आप x की जगह y भी ले सकते हो. It will become 9x and 5y. Now how will it help me? Suppose my these two are 9x and 5x, then I can use the linear equation method. 9x plus 5x is equal to 448. That means 14x is equal to 448 and x is equal to 448 divided by 14, which is equal to 32. Now to find 9x, I will multiply 9 into 32 to get my answer, which will be 288. To find the number of girls, I will multiply. Okay, I had to find the number of girls. So 5x will be equal to 5 into 32, which is 160. So you can use both methods, this method or the ratio method to solve it. It is important to understand both methods. So will you guys try one question with this method?
Sir, I did with this only.
Sir, I also did with this only.
Okay, so should I explain? Will you guys want to do with this method or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So generally schools don't teach this method.
So, but if we
Generally.
do this in the paper, it can't be
It is
marked wrong.
correct. It can't be marked wrong. Do this question. Should I tell you that the ratios can be written as 7x and 2x?
Sure.
So the ratios can be written as 7x and any ratio. ये इन questions के लिए नहीं guys. आप जब तक ratio proportion पढ़ोगे तब तक आप you can use this. You can write this as 7x and 2x, something like that.
So this has to be solved with the exact method, right?
Yes, exactly like the previous method.
Okay, because I wrote it down and now I'm kind of getting confused. Because it's not going to be divided equally, right?
Who said we divide equally?
Huh?
Should I show you my previous question once?
So I noted that down, but it shouldn't be divided equally is my only question, right?
Beta, first you will divide equally to find the value of x. Then you will multiply by 7 and multiply by 2 to get
Yeah.
the final answer.
Okay, sir. Got it. This is kind of unfair division. In fact, very unfair, but okay. I'm doing a mistake somewhere.
Alright, guys. So, Smiley, Adhya, Chatty. Should I explain this method once again?
Sir, I sent my
Sir,
answer.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am must have got disconnected. Then you can speak your answer.
Oh,
Sir, rupees 1225 and rupees 350.
Rupees 1. Chatty, what's your answer?
sir, my answer is 1225 and 350.
So, Candy and Adhya. Let's see. So, Candy, please concentrate. 7 and Adhya, 7x plus 2x equal to 1575 because the total is 1575. Any confusion in this step?
No, sir.
9x equal to 1575. X will be equal to 1575 divide by 9, which will give me 9 ones are 7s are 63 and 45. So 170. Now Komal's share is 7x.
So Kamal.
Kamal's share is 7x. So it means 7 into 175. That is equal to 1225. And Madhu's share is 2 times 175. That is rupees 350. Don't forget to use the currency sign. So Candy and Adya, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you guys try the sixth question because the other method cannot be used in the sixth question. So you guys try it once, otherwise I am
Sir,
going
I
to.
already sent my answer and got it correct. The same.
Okay. Okay. So this method can be solved by linear equations only everywhere.
Sir, I sent my answer previously,
A.
but I got disconnected, so I can't copy paste that answer.
So I'll just give 2 minutes for others to solve, otherwise I'll explain.
Sir, I'm not too sure how to solve this.
Try it for a minute. So should I explain, kids? Guys, Candy, Adya, Hacker, Smiley, Mahuri, Guy. Should I explain?
Yes, please.
Okay, so males are 5x and it's given 115. So instead of total this time, we are given one part which is males, which already is 5x. So 5x is equal to 115, x is equal to 23. So there are 23 males. So 23, sorry, x, the value of x is 23. That is the factor. Males are already 115. So we have to find 3x. That means 3 into 23. That is equal to 69. All right. So the
Oh,
females in the 69 females. So
so
I
it is
will
correct.
repeat. First, I assume them as 5x and 3x. Then I knew that 5x value is 115. So x will be equal to 515 divided by 5, which will give me 23. So I got the value of x. Then females are 3x. I put 3 into 23. That's 69. So Mahuri, Hacker, Adya, Candy, have we understood? And the guy, have we understood?
Yes, sir. So,
So
So
now
let
I take my doubt.
I will take your doubt before we end the session today. That's a promise. So else we can do. We can do this 14th question.
The ratio of
So Diya, Smiley, and Adya give your answer.
Sir, already sent. Sent, sir.
Sir,
So Adya, what's my answer? Ad- Adya, what's my answer? Quickly, बेटा. आपने भेजा था ना आंसर, अभी बोला सेंड, तो क्या भेजा आपने?
Sir, I did not send.
You did not send. Then what's the answer? Calculate किया नहीं किया?
No, sir.
Beta, are you sleeping in the class? So these two can be written as 5x and 3x. Width given is 42. Width is 3x. So 3x is equal to 42. X is equal to 42. Divide by 3, which is 14. So 5x will be equal to 5 into 14, which is 70. क्या प्रॉब्लम है इसमें? Okay. So 1 second.
sir, can I go drink water?
Why?
Sir, because I'm thirsty.
So, can we please
Yes.
have a water break?
No. So
Yes,
after doing the correct, after giving the correct answer, then you can go and drink water for 45 seconds.
45 minutes? Yay!
45 seconds.
Sir, you said,
45 minutes.
sir, yes, sir, you said 45 minutes.
Said 45 seconds.
Oh,
Sir, you said 45 minutes.
Acha, you want to study for 45 minutes more? That's great.
No, sir.
Well done, well done.
Break! So, break for 45 minutes as
Sir, we need a
previously stated.
break.
You can give a break for 10 minutes
Yes, sir, that works too.
or 5 minutes.
No, let's stick
Even if
to
you
10.
give a 3 minutes break, it will be alright.
Let's stick to 10, guys.
Guys, next question is a very difficult question, and that's the reason I taught you linear equations
Sir,
first.
we won't be able to solve it if you are parched.
well,
Sir,
then if you
keep
can't
it
solve
getting
it,
correct, can we get a break?
Yes, if you get this correct, I'll give you a break. That's good.
and what if you get it wrong, then what?
So what if some kids get it right and some kids get it wrong?
If even 4 kids get it right, I will give you a break.
A 10 minutes break.
Agreed.
All right, try this. 10th question.
Sir?
So if I give you a hint, it's a linear equation question, but a part of ratio proportion.
So should we do it with the variable x?
Yes, beta, you can do it with the variable x. The first step will be that original number or original ratio
Plus
will be
x.
9x upon 16x. And
Well, we can also make
let
it 9 upon 16 plus x, which is equals
so
to
which is original ratio is 9 by 16. Yes, you can take it like that as also. चलो एक variable कम हो जाएगा. So original ratio will be 9 by 16. So let x be added to each term. Now you guys have to solve it. So even if you guys send the correct equation, then also you will get one tick. अगर आपको क्वेश्चन नहीं आ रहा, आप इक्वेशन भेज दो एटलीस्ट. There is a slight mistake. So Dia got the correct equation. So let x be added. So 9 plus x
Sir, I
upon
sent my answer.
16 plus x is equal to 2 by 3. This is the equation. Now how we solve it is like by the linear equation method. So in these type of questions जहाँ पे आपके ऊपर भी x आया नीचे भी x आया, we do cross multiplication. What do we do? Cross multiplication. So how do we do cross multiplication? Guys pay attention. ये 3 नीचे है, ये ऊपर चले जाएगा. This will become 3 multiplied by 9 plus x. ये 16 plus x नीचे है, ये ऊपर चले जाएगा. This will be 2 multiplied by 16 plus x. गाइस अगर आपने ये लाइन पुट नहीं करी, स्माइली जैसे आपने ये लाइन पुट नहीं करी थी इन योर इक्वेशन, देन इट विल बिकम रॉन्ग. ऑलराइट स्माइली, अगर आपकी ये लाइन यहां से यहां तक इनकम्प्लीट है और यू देयर इज अ ब्रेक इन द लाइन, प्लस के बीच में ब्रेक कर दिया लाइन को, देन योर इक्वेशन इज रॉन्ग. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड?
yes, sir.
Okay, that's why I said your equation is wrong. Now, first of all, have you understood the equation part and the cross multiplication part, everyone? Guys, equation part or cross multiplication part clear hai? Now, if you remember, how do we open the brackets? This 3 will be multiplied to 9 also and x also. Do you remember this? So 3 into 9, 27, plus 3 into x, 3x, is equal to 2 into 16, 32. Plus 2 into x, 2x. कुछ strike किया? And then x will come here. It will become 27 plus 3x minus 2x equal to 32. Then 27 will go on the right side. It will become plus 27 will become minus 22. And this will become x. X is equal to 32 minus 27. So that gives me x is equal to 5. Understood, guys? Everyone understood?
Yes.
Sir.
Sir, I literally got that answer before, but I
now
thought
give
it
a
was the
break.
wrong answer.
So we deserve a break. 3 kids got it
Only
right.
3 kids. I said 4.
Sir,
Uh,
I said 4.
sir, no.
Thanks, got it right. At least the ones who got it right deserve a break.
Yes, sir.
So I have an idea. You do the next question, which is very similar, and you take a break.
Sir.
so you
Sir.
promised us, and you're wasting your promises. It's very bad.
Yes, sir.
True, so very true. Very, very true.
So you
We got it correct, and you said if 4 kids, I'll allow it. You said if, at most.
Why do
4
you need a break, bitter? You can do the like household stuff later.
need break to take rest.
So you
So
can
I-
close your eyes till. I have an idea. You guys stop speaking, and you guys can close your eyes while I'm typing the question.
No,
Um,
sir.
so 10 minutes. So 10 minutes only.
4 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes.
Okay, you know, at least we deserve a 7-minute break.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, after doing this question, you will have to take a break.
We need to break some stuff, so
All right, do this question.
So can you remove that line?
Yes. Guys, now this you will have to take as 3x and 4x. That's my big hit. So who said दीदी आपकी बॉटल में थोड़े से वो हैं? Who said this line? Dia, was it someone from your room? Who is Didi? It's Dia only. We got to know. Catty, congratulations. You have won yourself a 2 minutes break.
sir, I also said my answer.
Guy, congratulations. You also have won yourself a 2 minutes break.
Bye.
See, guys, you are winning prizes in a class. That's great.
Sir, I think so I will get it wrong. I've sent my answer. I think so. I will get it.
Same, sir, but I really want that break.
Smiley, congratulations. You can take a 1 minute break.
So what? Why? Oh wait, I got it wrong anyway. Okay.
Smiley, you can take a 1 minute break.
What did I send?
All right, guys, come back. I'm going to explain now. So anyone needs more time? Hacker, Adya, Candy, Mahuri, Mr. Bla, anyone needs more time? I'll explain. So already we know the ratios of volumes are 3x and 4x. Now Rahul drank 40 milliliter from bottle A. Means bottle A becomes how much? 3x minus 40. When everyone understood this, that bottle A will become 3x minus 40. Adhya, come back. Adhya Chatty. Mr. Arav. So everyone understood this, that bottle A will become 3x minus 40.
Yes, sir.
Because 40 milliliter has been, he has drank it and it is reduced by 40. Now the ratio becomes 3x minus 40 upon 4x is equal to 13 by 20. Again, whenever we get equations like this, the standard method is cross multiply. So this will become 20 multiplied by 3x minus 40 and 4x, which will be equal to 4x into 13. So then I will open the brackets. 20 into 3x, 20 into 3 is 60. I will get 60x. 20 into 40 is 800, but there is a minus sign, so I will get minus 800. 13 into 4 is 52, so I will get 52x. Now this I will bring to right side, minus 100 to the right and 52x to the left. So plus 52x will become minus 52x. And minus 800 will become plus 800. So this will become 8x equal to 800. X will be equal to 800 divided by 8, which is equal to 100. Now since x is 100, then 3x will become 3 into 100, which is 300 milliliters. Because the original was 3x.
So I just solved till 8x and then thought that was the answer.
So my left side was correct, but my right was wrong.
Okay, so Candy, Hacker understood and Adhya understood.
Sir, I did it by another method.
All right, but have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Candy, Hacker, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Bla, you can send me a screenshot of your method if you wanted to get me check it, if you want me to check it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next very easy question to Smiley, I'll take your doubt also side by side. the seventh question, which part you have a problem in?
So the A part.
So it is the ratio of 75 paise to 6 rupees, correct?
Yes, sir.
So rupees 6 is 600 paise.
Yes.
So you just have to do 75 upon 600.
Sir, I got confused in the decimal part, like it was 6.00 something.
6.00 for converting to paise we multiply by 100. So 6.00 multiply by 100. First it will become 60, then it will become 600. Okay.
Yes, sir, and then we will cut it and then we'll get the
Yes, then we can simplify and get the with the simplest form.
So I get this question.
So next question, next class we will do proportion.
Sir, wasn't this ratio and proportion?
Yes. So we have done ratio. Next class we'll do proportion.
No, I meant isn't
Sir,
this ratio and proportion?
Yes. So we have done ratio.
No, so you're
And
not understanding what I'm saying.
sir,
Isn't
and teacher also showed your friend's video,
yeah, Jyoti, even ours.
the math antics.
Yeah.
so
It's
Adya,
not
Smiley, Mahuri, and Guy.
Sir, isn't this ratio and proportion? This is
Can
my
you stop
question.
annotating? Then I will tell you.
Okay.
Peter, right now there are two different concepts, and equality of ratios is called proportion. Actually, you want to study proportion also today? Yeah. Introduction I can give you. Yes.
Yay! So can you please show some videos on proportion?
Yes, we'll do overtime today. I will show you some videos.
No, sir, not overtime. Not overtime. In
Acha,
class.
first everyone give the answer, guys.
Sir, I'm
Smiley,
sending in my answer. I
Adya,
got one
Guy.
mistake.
Yes,
I'm
Mahuri, you
sending.
can send again.
Sir, I'm sending. I sent my answer. Yay.
So do you have any more classes after this?
I bet yes. I
One
think
class
yes. I'm not sure whether it's 7th or 8th, but it's either one of them, right?
It is 7:45. It's a half an hour break. All right. So Smiley and Adya.
Sir, I did not understand this.
Yeah, it's the same thing जैसे हमने कर रहे थे. ये रेशियो हो गई 6x, 5x, 11x. So value of A is 30. So 6x is equal to 30. X is equal to 30 divided by 6, which is equal to 5. Now the sum of B and C is 11x plus 5x, which is 16x.
3x.
So sum is this.
Okay, sir.
So which is equal to 16 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 80. You can find separately also. आप B की निकाल लो 5x, which will be 5 into 5, 25. Then for C it will be 11x, which will be 11 into 5, 55. Understood, Smiley?
Yes.
And Adya, who did not give any answer today, who was sleeping in today's class. And Mahuri. Understood?
So now can you show a video of proportion?
Proportion, guys, I can give you just a definition today. An equality.
Sir, can you give a definition using mathematics?
An equality of ratios is called proportion.
Sir, isn't proportion like if you, for example, if you consume salt, consume the equal amount of sugar. So you're consuming salt proportionate to sugar. Sir,
Yes, I'm listening to you.
isn't that what proportion is?
That is ratio, beta. अगर आप कुछ एक किसी चीज रेसिपी में आप proportion, जैसे you are putting salt proportionate to sugar, or you are putting like the sugar proportionate to all purpose flour, something like that. So that is ratio. Okay, and equality of ratio is called proportion. Rest I think we will do in the next class.
So
All
we are
right.
free for today.
Yes, guys, I have given you a 2 minutes, 1.5 minutes break. Enjoy your break.
Thank
Bye,
you, sir.
guys.
So now we have 2 days break.
Yes.
Bye, sir.
Bye, bye, guys.
Wait, so
Bye,
we don't
sir.
have class